How to fix ChatGPT Network Error. This tutorial covers the most common causes and how to work around timeout issues specifically. First, check your internet connection by swiping down to open the Quick panel and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. From there, if a specific long response keeps timing out, try breaking your prompt into smaller parts instead of sending it all at once. After that, long press the ChatGPT app icon from your home screen or app drawer. At this point, tap App Info. Following this, tap Storage. From here, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be causing the network error. At this stage, back out and tap Force Stop. Following this, tap OK to confirm. From here, reopen ChatGPT and try sending your prompt again. If it's still timing out on longer prompts, try asking it to continue where it left off instead of expecting one long response. At this stage, this often gets around the timeout entirely, since shorter responses complete before the connection drops. Following this, if the network error persists on shorter messages too, go back into App Info and tap Storage. From here, tap Clear Data instead. Keep in mind clearing data will sign you out, so make sure you know your login details before continuing and confirm when prompted. Following this, scroll down within App Info and tap App Details in Store to check if an update is available and install it if there is one. From here, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. That's how you fix ChatGPT network error and bypass long prompt timeouts on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.